Hi, my name's Dr. Lander here at Advanced Animal Care in Richmond, and I'm speaking today just kind of about why I'm here and when I graduated. So I'm a graduate from Auburn University Vet School there in 2020, so recent grad. I've been here at Advanced Animal Care for a year. Came right out of school. I actually did my preceptor here for the last couple months before I graduated vet school. Fell in love with it, so came and worked for now a year. And I've done so much in that time, special interests, especially is surgery, which I do a ton of.
Great. So what made you choose us to begin with?
So I will say, just like every other vet, especially coming out of vet school, you have all of these options kind of thrown at you. And what ultimately kept me here, and I had no intent of being in Richmond, but what I fell in love with here was, honestly, the Angel Fund is incredible. So it's a really cool thing that the owners here do for each veterinarian. We get a certain amount of money every year that we can use for any case we want. So say you have those really sad cases that unfortunately the owners really can't afford proper care, or what we can do then is help them out and help the pet out, which is ultimately why we're doing what we're doing as veterinarians. So that was one of the biggest reasons. The mentorship here is incredible. Our chief of staff is very willing to always give input and teach, especially as a new vet. That is really, really important, and I've really appreciated that. And then ultimately, the owners here are incredible, probably the best employers that you'll ever have. And then the staff here is just awesome as well.
So you've been here a year now. What is kind of keeping you here?
So I will say, probably comparatively even to a lot of my classmates, it's nothing against them. I think it's maybe just more the norm. I am at an accelerated pace. I'm doing things that some of my classmates have read about, and it's just the opportunities that we have here as a 24/7 clinic, and honestly emergency care, and just the opportunities are immense. I just actually did a splenectomy a week and a half ago in an hour, and I thought that was so cool, and the surgical opportunities especially are huge, which is obviously a huge interest for me.
Great. So we have kind of an intense schedule here being emergency and general practice. How do you balance work life with the schedule that you're put on?
I'll be honest, I work a lot. I think about even the hours that we put in. I do have on-call kind of responsibilities on top of that, but I'm excited right now. I'm young, I'm a new grad, I want to learn, and this is the place to do it. I will say, even if you're been out of school for a little while and maybe you're getting kind of even complacent when what you're doing, this is the place to come to just for anything and everything. We're exposed to all of it. Are hospitalized, we do hospitalized patients, we manage really cool internal medicine cases on top of surgical cases. The exposure is unreal.
So if you could just give me a one sentence, why choose advanced animal care as your next job opportunity? What would you say?
Oh, that's hard, Ella. In the way that, I could write a paragraph. I'd honestly say probably just that the opportunities are endless, and I've said it a lot, and I think it's kind of my overall statement for why I work here and continue to.
Thanks, Dr. Lander.
Thank you.